Hello, students. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of tenses in English. Let's learn together. Tenses denote the moment of action in sentences. They help in showcasing whether the action is happening in the past, present, or future. Now, let's learn the types of tenses. First is the present tense. Present indefinite tense. This tense talks about actions that happen regularly. For example, Professor Johnson teaches advanced quantum physics to his graduate students twice a week. This means he teaches often, not just once. Present continuous tense. This tense is for actions happening right now. We form it with is, are, plus a verb ending in ing. For example, scientists are tirelessly working on developing a groundbreaking vaccine to combat the virus. Present perfect tense. This tense shows actions that started in the past and are still relevant now. We use have, has, plus the past participle. For example, having traveled to more than 20 countries, Saba has gained a deep appreciation for diverse cultures and customs. Present perfect continuous tense. This tense describes actions that started in the past and continue up to now. It emphasizes duration. For example, she has been studying French for 3 years, and she still feels like there's so much more to learn. Next is the past tense. Past indefinite tense. This tense describes actions that happened in the past. It usually ends in ed for regular verbs. For example, James unearthed a rare manuscript in the dusty archives of the ancient library. Past continuous tense. This tense describes actions happening at a specific time in the past. It's made with was, were, plus ing. For example, while I was diligently working on my project, the phone suddenly rang, disrupting my concentration. Past perfect tense. This tense is for actions completed before another past action. It uses had plus the past participle. For example, after the explorers had traversed the treacherous mountains, they discovered an ancient civilization that had thrived for centuries in isolation. Past perfect continuous tense. This tense shows actions that were ongoing before another past event. It's formed with had been plus ing. For example, by the time I arrived at the party, they had been preparing for the event for 3 hours. Last, we have the future tense. Future indefinite tense. This tense talks about actions that will happen. We use will plus the base verb. For example, by the time we reach the airport, the plane will have already departed. Future continuous tense. This tense describes actions happening at a specific future time. It uses will be plus ing. For example, by the time you arrive at the party, we will be dancing to the latest tunes. Future perfect tense. This tense is for actions that will be completed before another future action. It's formed with will have plus the past participle. For example, by the time the school bell rings at 3 p.m. tomorrow, Maria will have completed her science project, which she had been working on diligently for the past 2 weeks. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense shows ongoing actions at a specific future time. It uses will have been plus ing. For example, by the end of next month, she will have been working on her novel for 1.5 years. Now it's your turn to answer. Give one example of future continuous tense. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.